Today I'm going to show you how powerful Jasper AI Boss Mode is. This tool helps you to write blogs much faster. Hi there, my name is Lila, and today I'm going to show you how to use Jarvis that has been rebranded to Jasper and was Conversion AI before, which is an awesome AI-powered assistant. Basically, it's a writing assistant tool that can help make your life easier by writing articles for you in seconds, with a few clicks or with just your voice. It's really easy once you get used to it, and it makes blogging so much more efficient. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to choose Boss Mode when I sign up. The Boss Mode is for longer content and blog writing and longer pieces of content. It gives you access to documents, editor, and most important tool, that is Jarvis command. The Boss Mode costs $59 a month, and you can generate up to 50,000 words every month. You can try it for 5 days, and if you're not happy with it, you can get full refund with no question asked. So instead of hiring a professional writer or a freelancer to write for you, you can do it yourself with the help of Jasper AI tool. Jasper helps you to build content quickly and save you hours of writing. You can think of it as a long-term writing assistant. Jasper, or formerly Jarvis, is not a research tool though, and can't give you the right facts and figures. Same when you want to hire a writer, you have to give them detailed guidance of what you want them to write, and you should do the same for Jarvis. Maybe you don't need to give a list of facts to a writer, but for Jarvis you must do your research and know the topic before you start writing, as without guidance, Jarvis will run wildly and give you wrong facts, and you won't be satisfied with the output. Jasper, or Jarvis, Jasper supports the languages you see here: English, Spanish, Finnish, French, Italian, Japanese, Latvian, Dutch, Polish, and so on. With AI, you have to understand that when you start using it, it has to learn what you want it to write and the way you want it written. As it learns, it will get better and better, so when you start using it for the first time, you might have some problems and you don't like the output. It might not seem so smooth. As I said earlier, you have to know a little about the subject you want to write about so you can assess the quality of what it writes, at least at the beginning, when you are kind of training it. You can click the link below if you're not signed up, you're interested to try it and see if it is for you. It's not an affiliate link, by the way. So sign up with the Boss Mode and you'll go here and you'll just go to the templates, and depends on what you want to write, choose the right template for your needs. I'm going to choose blog outline. If you're not sure what subtitles of your blog will be, you can use this template. Then here on the title or topic, I chose how to write content for affiliate marketing. Tone of voice, I chose engaging, and I chose 2 outputs. Here it gives me 6 outline for each output, and some of them are not really what I would add in a blog. Why affiliate marketing is a good idea? That's broad, and it's not necessarily very relevant to what I added as a title, related to what I want. What are the benefits of affiliate marketing? Again, very broad. The third one seems relevant: how to create content for your blog or website, tips and tricks for successful affiliate marketing, and so on. So you just choose the outputs that you think are relevant and good for your blog. If not, you can generate more outputs. Now we have the outline of the blog. Let's try and write the blog itself. Now you go to templates again, and then choose long form assistant, and then let's choose blog post workflow. Now here it says describe the content you want to create. Here, if you remember, I asked you to give as much guidance as possible to Jarvis to be able to give you a decent output. Here I'm going to write a paragraph and give it as much details as I give it some details and see how the output comes out. So I wrote introduction of types of traffic for affiliate marketing, free traffic or called organic traffic, explain how to get organic traffic for affiliate marketing, explore all the sources of traffic possible for affiliate marketing, and what are the pros and cons of traffic or organic traffic. And then in the keywords section, you should have done your keyword research and then add the keywords that you want included in your blog. For the title, you either add your own title or you can generate ideas and then choose the one that you like the most. Now for the intro paragraph, you either again write your own intro if you have it, or if you use the intro blog template. Otherwise, you just generate ideas and see whether you like them or not. He gave me 3 outputs. See, the first one It seems well structured. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to generate passive income online, but how do we get traffic? Traffic can be broken into two categories, free or paid. Free traffic comes from sources like social media, forums, blogs, and articles, directories, and so on. So this seems well structured, and I would take probably the three outputs here and rewrite them. Here the three outputs seem decent, to be honest. I would be taking the three of them and just rewrite it. Or you can copy the one that you like the most and then choose the tone of voice as I did here. Also, you could choose the output length, either short, medium or long, and then compose. And Jarvis will carry on writing based on what is written previously. At this point, you could add the subheading that were generated from the outline that I showed you earlier. You see here, it gives me a decent output, maybe because there is loads of information on affiliate marketing out there, but here I'm really satisfied with the output. It says let's start with organic traffic, and then it gives more details about the organic traffic and when to use it, its main advantage, and then the downside of it. But this output is more or less acceptable because I gave it some details beforehand. If you don't, it will just give you random paragraphs, as we will see later. Here I'll show you another example with a little bit more structured paragraph. Here I asked Jarvis to explain how to start affiliate marketing with without a website for a beginner. I said, give me all the possible ways to promote affiliate products, services, and info products without setting up a website. Different methods to promote goods can be using. I gave it some directions. Here I said different methods to promote goods, and I gave it some of the methods. Examples can be using social media, YouTube, or building an email list. Give me example of social media that are effective in promoting affiliate links and making leads and sales. Is there any alternative ways to promote affiliate products and services without a website? You see here I gave it what to write about. In this case, it will hopefully give me a good output. Here are the three outputs that it gave me. They're okay. And as you can see, it's giving me some options there. It starts giving me a real ways of how to promote products and services without a website. So it's giving me the answer. But sometimes the AI doesn't answer the question as you'd like. Here is an example. I wrote here, most affiliate networks do not accept applicants without a website. Explain what the applicant should do in this case. And the answer of Jarvis is as follows. How can you start an affiliate marketing business if you don't have money? That's irrelevant. It has nothing to do with my question. Are there any alternative ways that are free and cost and so on? So in this case, if you get an irrelevant answer, what you can do is write 3 stars. If you write 3 stars, it will prevent Jarvis from seeing what's above. Jarvis reads what's above to link to the following ideas and to know what to write about. If you want to prevent that, you can write 3 stars, and this prevents Jarvis from reading what's above. And what is written after the stars will be in link to the above. So when I get relevant answers, I write 3 stars and rewrite the command and see what it gives me. Like here, actually I added 4 stars, I'm not sure if it matters. And then I said, explain what the applicant should do if the affiliate networks do not accept applicants without a website. Now it's Jarvis starts the paragraph by, if the applicant networks do not accept applicants without a website, there are other ways to promote affiliate products and services. It starts the answer correctly, but I'm not 100% satisfied with the answer. One way is to use social media, and there are many other platforms and so on, and it's not convincing. What I wanted to answer is how you go about getting accepted without a website to the affiliate networks. I asked Jarvis to tell me what to do so that the affiliate networks accept you when you don't have a website. But the answer Jarvis gave me is how to promote the products without a website. You see what I mean here? It's not answering the question I asked. So you see here, you can't just press the compose command and let it run widely. You have to guide Jarvis to write for you to something that you'll be happy with. It is a very good assistant, but you have to guide it. Now we're going to test the blog post intro paragraph. So you write the blog post title, and in this case I wrote email marketing for affiliate marketing, and then you specify the audience. In this case I wrote audience is beginners in affiliate marketing, and then the tone of voice I added informative, engaging, and attention grabbing, and I specified 2 outputs. Here it gives me the 2 outputs. It's decent, but not wow. They're not bad, both of them. I could use some of the sentences and rewrite it. I could rewrite it so it's more informative and engaging. Now, if you're happy with one of the outputs, you can copy that. You can copy this intro paragraph into the section of the blog that it says describe what you want Jarvis to write about, and you carry on from there. Now we're going to try the blog post conclusion paragraph. It says what are the main points or outlines of your blog post. Here you have to give it some direction to write a conclusion for you. Here I used some of the here I used the outline that Jarvis gave me earlier on this section. Then you can add your call to action. I didn't add any this time, and the tone of voice. I chose engaging, and you specify the tone of voice. So it gave me 2 outputs. The best way to get started with email marketing for affiliate marketing is by understanding the different types of emails. You can send out sales emails, are a great place to start because they're focused on. It seems so decent. I'm happy with the outputs. Again, I would use some of these sentences and rewrite my own conclusion. Now I'm going to check plagiarism and see whether Jarvis copies other people's work or writes original piece of work. I'm going to check plagiarism using Plagiarism Checker. That's a free, or at least free version. I'm pasting paragraphs that Jarvis wrote for me, and then check plagiarism, and let's see what we get. Well, it gives 100% unique paragraphs. I'm happy with that. YouTube video script hook and introduction. So you give it the video title that you want. You give it the video title. Here, write in a blog article using Jarvis. And then I added the tone of voice. And let's see what it gives us. I reduced the output to 2. I just want 2 outputs here. Here the hook is, I'm going to show you how to use Jarvis. Now, that's not a good hook at all. The second hook is, the other day I was using Jarvis to write a blog article, but I couldn't figure out how to use the voice assistant. Luckily for you, this video is going to show you it's going to show you everything that you need to know about this, how it works. Again, it's irrelevant. That's not what I'm looking for. We're just trying this template. I think this template needs to be improved. To summarize, I think Jasper is a useful tool depending on what you use it for. If you want to write sales copy, an email, or topics with not much facts in them, like subjective topic, or you just need it for introductions or short story, it can do a great job. For high quality articles, you still have to do the research yourself of the facts and statistics and figures and so on the topic, and guide Jarvis as much as possible, then revise it. Correct the facts, check the structure, add your own thoughts on the topic. Also, Jarvis or Jasper can be really useful if you have a writer block and you fear a blank page and you just need some text to start with. It might be helpful to use Jarvis then. Reword it and use some of it. Or if you want to write in a language that is not your mother tongue, it may be helpful. Let's say you're not a native English speaker and you'd like to write a blog article in English. It might be a good idea to get Jarvis to help you with the writing. I'm sure in the future AI tools will get better and will be able to help us produce better content with less guidance from the person who knows the topic. But at the moment AI is doing okay, but when it comes to the fact, it doesn't necessarily do a good job. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below.